Hadin balakut ki arsni bala aipor daga yeng kashari ban set bat thokit ya ga sonam Raghuvanshi bat Yuvraj Kushwaha hapo police custody lara abyang yakini ki arngut ha ka apoi terik ujeliu she yeng kashari ka bala aipor khatlai sngi ban set yaki ha judicial custody.
Sonam and Raj, they were produced before the Honorable Court today. After their judicial custody is over, they were remanded back for 13 days judicial custody.
Well, sir, again I'm asking this, whether was there any demand from the police to provide them police custody or something like that?
Till now, no, nothing is there. If required, police may ask. If required. So it is up to the investigation. I have no comment.
So, sir, when will be the next production then?
You just count from today, after 13 days. So today is judicial custody is given from today, no? You count 13 days.
So she will be staying in Shillong district jail?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.